Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, author of The Football Gods Are Real. And this is pack opening 450 from the Sports Card Collectors Club. We got one pack of 1990 Flair football. Let's rip. Nice easy rip. Nice simple card design from Flair 1990. Cards feel good. Ron Morris. Perry Kemp. Keith Jones. Eric Allen. Herschel Walker. He was great. Look at those old school Patriot uniforms. I love those. And Cornelius Bennett. So financially a bust, nothing to flip, but good sentimental value. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. God bless.